Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyotokan. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll make Japanese cream stew from scratch. We eat cream stew all season, however, it's best for autumn and winter season. I hope you enjoy delicious and warm cream stew at your home. Yes, let's make it. This is my kombu, which is harvested in Hokkaido. Kombu is the base flavor of the soup. I add 15 grams of kombu to 1000 grams of the water and let it stand for 1 hour. It's good to keep it overnight in the fridge. Next, cut the vegetables. First, carrot. Peel the skin with a knife. Of course, we can peel it with a peeler. However, peeling the skin with a knife makes the surface smooth and shiny. Beautiful. Then do a roll cutting, oblique cutting, repeat cutting and rolling. The tip is to cut the carrot into even and bite-sized pieces. The orange color makes us feel warm. Next, onion. Today I use a half onion. Slice it into 1 cm intervals. Nice. Then white button mushrooms. In Japan, it's called white mushroom. Trim the bottom of shortly and cut it into half. Very easy. Okay. Next, broccoli. This green color makes the dish colorful. Snap pears are also good. Today I use about half of it. If the piece of broccoli is big, make a cut to the stem and tear it by hands. This work prevents the buds from scattering. Good. Next, turnip. I love the combination of turnip and cream sauce. Remove the sand with a wooden skewer. Also, we can cut the stem off. I like this beautiful light green color in stew. Then peel the skin. The cooking times of the skin and inner flesh is different, so the tip is to peel the skin a bit thick and move the knife smoothly to make the surface beautiful. It's very smooth. Then cut it into 8 equal pieces. Okay, I've cut the all vegetables. Next, chicken thigh. Chicken adds rich flavor to the soup. Trim the excess skin and fat off. Then cut it into big chunks. Like this. We can enjoy juicy and tender chicken. Good. Put the salt to the tray entirely. And place the chicken on the salt. It's good to put the black and white pepper to the chicken. Put the salt again to season the chicken, totally 4 grams. Okay, let it stand for 15 minutes at room temperature. 1 hour later, kombu dashi is ready. Let's cook the chicken. Put the vegetable oil to the pot and spread it. Then place the chicken facing skin side down. Put on the skin side over medium heat. Put the pressure to attach the skin to the bottom of the pot. 4 minutes later, turn them over. If the chicken is overcooked, the texture becomes firm. So the tip is to saute the chicken in a short time, 6 to 7 minutes totally. Then remove the chicken from the pot. Good. Set it aside. Stir-fry the onion and the carrot in the same pot without washing. Distribute the rich chicken flavor to them And the stuff lining carrot and onion brings out the sweetness from them. Okay, then add kombu dashi to the pot. If you use a potato, please add it now. Add it kombu too. Turn up the heat. Once it starts to boil, skim off the foam carefully. Then add the bottom mushrooms. I stir it and cook it for 10 minutes over low heat. If you use potatoes, please heat it until the potatoes are cooked. After that, add use milk and butter, which are produced in Hokkaido. Dairy farming is thriving and the products are so delicious. Where is a famous place for dairy farming in your country? If you like, please share the information on the comment. 10 minutes later, check it by the bamboo skewer. Goes through easily. Then separate the soup and vegetables. Okay, the soup looks rich and delicious. Let's make bechamel sauce. This is 50 grams of the butter and 50 grams of cake flour. I remove the moisture from the pot and put the butter. Heat it over the lowest heat. Once the butter melts, add the cake flour and mix them well quickly. Keep the heat lowest. Keep stirring it to prevent it from burning and make the texture silky. This work is quite important to make delicious stew. We should do it carefully. Please look at this. The texture is not smooth and the look is mud. Not yet. Keep stirring. Don't rush. The look becomes shiny and the texture becomes smooth and liquidy. Okay, turn off the heat. Put the salt and mix it. Let it stand for a few minutes. Once it is not hot, add the soup gradually. And mix them well. I recommend to add the soup in several times to make smooth and consistent sauce. Do it carefully the first few times. It looks smooth and shiny. Add the soup. The white sauce becomes liquidy. Beautiful. At last, I add our soup. And 10 grams of soy sauce. And turn on the heat. Once the soup is warm, add the turnip. Then return the vegetables and chicken. The ingredients give the flavor to the soup, and the amazing smell of butter, mushroom, and chicken comes up. And simmer it for 10 minutes. Occasionally, I stir it to prevent from burning. 10 minutes later, add 200 grams of milk. Okay, I mix them. At last, add the broccoli. It is important to add the broccoli just before eating to remain the beautiful green color and crunchy texture. Simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, check the taste. Good. Cream stew is ready. Let's arrange it on the plate. We can enjoy a lot of vegetables and chicken with warm and mild cream soup. At last, sprinkle the black pepper. Good. Cream stew is done. Let's eat it. いただきます. Soup is mild and creamy, and the chicken is juicy and tender. The vegetable looks beautiful and nice crunchy texture. It's so delicious. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Creamy stew is one of the most popular Japanese homemade dish. I hope you enjoy delicious creamy stew at your home. Then my channel reached 80,000 subscribers. I'm so happy many people discovered and subscribed my channel. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.